आप सभी का संजू ट्रिक्स में स्वागत है। आप सभी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सपोर्ट और सब्सक्राइब करें और नए नए ट्रिक्स जानने के लिए कमेंट्स करें। आप सभी का संजू ट्रिक्स में स्वागत है। आप सभी
Hello guys, today I am introduced to Excel some important formulas and tricks and for important formulas and tricks. I am Sanju and Sanju Tricks. Sanju Tricks, we all know calculation is important for everyone. Everyone. If I calculate 40 plus 60 then equal to 100. Other way, other ways, other way 40 plus 60 is equal to 100. Other ways 100 amounts of 20 percentage. Okay, then 100 multiple 20%. That's calculation. If I I want to reverse calculation, what's result? If I know 100, but I don't know 40 or other things. If equal to 100 minus if 50 then 100 plus 50. If I change 150 then all if I want to my total result calculation in that's in that case in this case I want to change 150 to 200 and other I want to change that results that's 40 to 50 or some other 60 some other calculation and next and other is other others are not affected only affected dash A2 then I want to change this 150 to 200 then what's I can do then I will use goal 6. Goal 6. What is goal 6? Goal 6 is the reverse calculation of any calculation, any formulas. Goal 6. Goal 6. What is goal 6? Goal 6 is reverse calculation. Set, cell. Cell, set. What's set? Set. If I want to change this into 200 other also affected cell किस affected cell that cell automatically change that's A2 40 A2 that's okay result is here same. If my result is 200, then possible if A2 is 19. If I want to change it to 90, 90 in change to 10, then my affected anyone, any other formulas which have formula Pulsic affected cell 19 change into 20. If 90 to 20, 90 change into 20. Then affected cell, this cell or this cell or this cell, any cells, this or this, any cell. If I want to 150 change affected cell, then okay. Cell must contain a formula. That's mean this cell have no any formula. No any formula. This cell changes into this cell, any other cell. If he is okay, this cell if this okay change. If this C2 change into 150 to 20, then automatically change B2 60 to minus 17. Why? Because this is 150 or and 150, 19 or 60, 90 and 60 equals to 150, and 90 minus 170 equal to 20. That's goal 6 means reverse calculation if sum, addition, subtraction and percentage or so many things are calculated. Thank you.